guys, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna start right now. I'm gonna sit and do my illustrations, so let's go. So first I did a little print test on a normal A4 paper, and then once I got it right, I decided to print on the original embroidery paper. So I couldn't decide where it would look best, so I took a few photos and sent it to my client, and she decided she wanted it in the center.